be like, yeah, my life be like.
Hello and welcome to Fox Gadget. In today's video, I'm bringing you a list that's gonna blow your mind. We're talking about 19 incredible tools that everyone should have in their arsenal. No ordinary stuff here. These tools are pure genius, specially designed to make your life easier, skyrocket your productivity, and leave everyone around you speechless. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. When creativity calls, you need precision, comfort, and style. And that's where the Wowstick mini screwdriver comes in. This handheld electric drill is so light and quiet, you could use it in a library without anyone batting an eye. With a sleek, safe design, no exposed bits staring you down menacingly. It's built to keep your focus on creating. It comes with 8 hardened steel bits capable of drilling through wood, plastic, resin, clay, and even copper sheets. Perfect for designers, makers, and DIY geniuses. Its 420 RPM speed and one-button operation let you drill like a pro without breaking a sweat. When you need precision, power, and versatility in one tool, this one delivers without hesitation. The Black+Decker 5-amp Jigsaw is the perfect partner for anyone demanding clean cuts, total control, and professional results in every project. Thanks to its innovative curve control technology, you can adjust the blade's orbital motion across 4 levels, tailoring it to the complexity and shape of each cut. Its variable speed motor hits up to 3,000 SPM, giving you enough power to tackle a wide range of materials with ease. Plus, it features an adjustable shoe for beveled cuts up to 45 degrees, a wire guard for better visibility, and an integrated dust blower to keep your workspace clean. With its ergonomic, compact design, working with this jigsaw is comfortable and fatigue-free. Having a reliable toolkit at home is like having superpowers in a drawer. You never know when you'll need it, but it always saves the day. The Cartman 39-piece toolkit is that magic box every household needs. With a corrosion-resistant chrome finish and heat-treated tools, it's ready to tackle anything from a wobbly chair to an unexpected leak. It includes a complete range of essential tools like a hammer, tape measure, pliers, hex keys, screwdrivers, bits, and more, all neatly organized in a sturdy portable case. Perfect for DIY tasks, basic home repairs, college students, or anyone setting up a new space. There are saws, and then there's the ToughBuilt folding pull saw, which feels like it came straight out of a ninja carpenter's workshop. This gem doesn't just cut like it knows what it's doing. It folds away like a secret gadget. Its handle collapses instantly, tucking the blade inside, making it compact and safe. Built tough with a steel frame for strength, rigidity, and precision, it cuts without you having to wrestle the material. Its double-edged blade has hardened teeth, one side with progressive 7 to 10 TPI for fast, powerful cuts, and another with 17 TPI for finishes so smooth you could use it on high-end furniture. The triple injection molded handle is not only comfortable but ensures a firm grip, even if your hands are sweaty, dirty, or tired. If you're into DIY, woodworking, crafting, or fixing things on your own, this tool will fit you like a glove. The DEPSTECH 8V cordless rotary toolkit comes with 127 accessories and 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. What does that mean? You can cut, sand, polish, drill, and even trim your dog's nails, all with one tool. Its USB-C rechargeable battery gives you cordless freedom, the non-slip handle is comfy for long sessions, and the speed memory system saves you time. Compatible with other brands' accessories and including a cutting guide. For just $50, you've got an entire workshop in your hand. If your garden turns into a jungle after a week of neglect, the Varai 2-in-1 hedge trimmer is exactly what you need to tame it without breaking a sweat. Cordless, lightweight, and doubling as a grass trimmer, it comes with high-hardness blades that make quick, precise work of any job. Its ergonomic design with wheels, non-slip grip, and low noise level make it perfect for working without disturbing the neighbors. Or your back. And like any good garden hero, it comes with its own toolbox for easy portability. Picture a Saturday morning ready to revamp your deck, but the old paint won't budge, no matter how much you beg. Enter the Diamabrush, the ultimate tool to bring wood back to life without spending half a day scraping like a maniac. This beast removes tough coatings, paint, and stuck-on grime in a single pass, leaving the surface ready to shine. Pair it with its metal cover, and you'll work without making a mess. Beyond wood, there are versions for prepping concrete, removing adhesives, mortar, or epoxy, all using your standard grinder. In the world of tools, even a pencil can be a warrior, and the Pica mechanical pencil proves it. This automatic pencil is built to withstand dust, moisture, and long workdays without giving up. With its high-tech pressure mechanism and durable graphite lead, you can mark on wood, metal, wet surfaces, smooth surfaces, dusty surfaces, even your own mistakes if needed. It includes a built-in sharpener, refills from the back, and is designed for one-handed use like a true pro. This is the small but mighty tool that literally makes its mark. If you thought splitting logs was only for burly lumberjacks in flannel shirts, the VEVOR Log Splitter breaks that myth with style and safety. This invention looks like it came from a Nordic catalog of brutal efficiency. Place the log, hit it with a mallet, and boom! Split wood without risking your fingers. Its upper safety ring ensures your hands never come near blades or tricky movements. Even kids, grandparents, or anyone can enjoy splitting logs like pros. Built from Q235 steel, it survives rain, campfires, and whatever else comes its way. At just 2.4 kilograms, it's portable, easy to store, and perfect for camping, the backyard, or anywhere you want to split logs drama-free. The WEN 3650 electric metal shear is the perfect tool for cutting metal effortlessly. No wrist pain required, thanks to its powerful 4-amp motor that slices through 20-gauge stainless steel and 18-gauge sheet metal like butter. Weighing just 2 kilograms, its lightweight design reduces fatigue, and the pressure-sensitive trigger lets you adjust cutting speed from 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute based on how hard you press. Plus, its 360-degree rotating head gives you total freedom to cut at any angle without wrestling the tool. The Batavia is a compact one-handed chainsaw that's like a superhero for your garden. Weighing just 1.49 kilograms and powered by an 18-volt motor, it cuts branches up to 11 centimeters like they're butter. Its ergonomic design lets you use it single-handedly without fatigue, perfect for casual gardeners or pros who want precision without hassle. With an adjustable head from 0 degrees to 32 degrees, you can cut at awkward angles without contorting yourself, whether pruning high branches or clearing green debris. It includes a manual lubrication system. Just press a button to keep the 6-inch chain and bar running smoothly. Safety? Covered. A 2-stage trigger and low kickback chain prevent accidents, plus a blade guard for safe storage. Are you the type who hangs pictures crooked and stares at them funny all week? Meet the Onkel Frame Leveler, the hero of straight walls. This tool may look simple, but it's like having an architect, level, and GPS in your hand for just $9. With a built-in level indicator and positioning marks right above the nails, hanging photos, paintings, or diplomas is a breeze. It works with hangers, hooks, nails, whatever you throw at it. And its double-slot, foldable hook design handles everything from a cat portrait to a mural-sized piece. The KastKing Cutthroat pliers aren't just any pliers. They're a fisherman's dream. Made from corrosion-resistant 420 stainless steel, they're perfect for saltwater or freshwater without rusting. With tungsten carbide cutters, they slice through braided monofilament or fluorocarbon lines like paper, and their fine tip opens split rings with precision, saving you time and frustration when swapping hooks or lures. The ergonomic rubber grip gives you total control, even with wet or fish-slimy hands. From unhooking a fish to tweaking your gear in seconds, these pliers are the Swiss Army knife of fishing. The Neiko work light is like having a portable mini sun in your hand. With 60 super bright LEDs pumping out 350 lumens, it lights up everything, whether you're under a car hood or camping in the middle of nowhere. Rechargeable, cordless, and with a 4,000 milliamp-hour battery, it delivers up to 5 hours of continuous light. Forgot to charge it? No drama. It includes a micro USB cable for charging anywhere. The best part? Total hands-free convenience. A detachable magnetic base and 2 rotating hooks let you hang, stick, or suspend it like magic. Its slim design, tough polycarbonate housing, and non-slip grip make it ideal for any situation. This is the tool you didn't know you needed, but now can't live without. If you want your carpentry or construction projects to look flawless, the Profiler Plus is a must-see. This contour gauge lets you copy the exact shape of any surface, whether it's an uneven wall, tricky molding, or a stone, and transfer it to your material with pro-level precision. It uses smooth gliding wheels that won't scratch delicate surfaces like polished floors, and a precision tip for complex profiles like baseboards or stone walls. Its adjustable pencil holder works with any marker from 2 to 12 millimeters, and the self-locking mechanism ensures your marking width stays rock solid. This little tough guy is the Neiko Punch, your new best friend for precise marking before drilling. Just press it down, and its spring-loaded mechanism delivers a sharp strike, marking exactly where your drill bit, nail, or screw will go. It works on metal, wood, plastic, glass, or leather without asking for permission. With an S2 steel tip and chrome-plated body, it's built to last, and it's adjustable for the force you need. Non-slip, compact, and even capable of breaking glass in an emergency, it's small but more useful than your cousin during a move. This professional headlamp blasts 500 lumens right where you need it, with a wide-angle beam that leaves no shadow unturned. Need less power? No problem. It has 3 brightness levels to suit the moment. Unlike others that crush your forehead, this one has a detachable battery pack at the back for balanced weight and better comfort. It's ready to mount on hard hats with included clips, but works just as well without one. Built to survive 2-meter drops and with an IPX4 water resistance rating, this headlamp is as tough as it gets. If you've ever built a deck or want your next wood project to look pro without the hassle, the KAMO Marksman Guide is your go-to. This tool is like a superpower for installing hidden deck screws, leaving a clean, screw-free surface for that modern look everyone loves. Designed for various board sizes like composite, PVC, or treated wood, it makes edge screwing fast, precise, and effortless. Just clamp the tool to the board, place screws in the slots, and drive them straight into the joists. It automatically creates a 3/16-inch gap between boards, so no measuring or spacers needed. Dual guides let you secure both sides of the board in one go, and the non-slip grip keeps everything steady while you work. The Makita Insert Bit Holder isn't just any bit holder. It's a beast built for high-torque impact drivers, with high-strength steel and extreme torsion technology that flexes under load to prevent bit breakage, giving it up to 10 times the lifespan of other holders. Perfect for heavy-duty tasks like decks, framing, or subfloor installation, this bit holder makes tough jobs faster, more precise, and longer-lasting. The full 18-piece set is a game-changer. The Marestyll Cable Tie Gun is an automatic tool that lets you tighten and cut 2.4 to 4.8 millimeter cable ties in 1 second with a single trigger pull, leaving a clean finish with no sharp edges to cut you or ruin the look. It's super versatile. Perfect for organizing the cable mess behind your TV, securing pipes in the garage, or setting up temporary garden decorations. Its 11-inch ergonomic design weighs just 295 grams and is made of stainless steel and durable ABS plastic to withstand years of heavy use. With an adjustable tension knob, you control how tight it pulls, protecting delicate cables. And with this awesome tool, we've reached the end of this video. Drop a comment below and let us know which tool you're dying to buy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.